What's up, guys? I'm out here at the hangar today. A couple days off from work, doing a little bit of maintenance. Going to do some engine work today. I am going to work on, a few things on the engine. Hello. Thanks, Tom, by the way, for this tripod. He hooked me up with the tripod. He was sick of my shaky videos. So thanks. We're going to try to get some a little smoother. And, when we get the action cameras, that'll be smoother too. I haven't been flying a whole lot lately. As most of you guys know, I have about 12.5 hours on the engine right now, or 12.5 hours flight time, a little bit more on the engine. But I'm going to do the 5-hour, 10-hour, and 12-hour checks. I'm going to do it basically everything up to the 12 hours. And the next series of checks I'll do is 25 hours on that. So here we are, ladder set up. I'm gonna drain the gearbox oil and replace that. I'm gonna check the spark plugs just to take a look at them. I've got some brushes. If I need to clean them off, I can, but probably after 15 hours on the engine, it's probably not that much there, but I'll take a look anyway. So the engine mounts look good. All the bolts look good there. I'll just check fasteners and stuff like that. I think there's some recommended to re-torque the gearbox bolts, and I don't have what I need. It's like a hex wrench or something big in there, so I'm gonna have to get something that goes on my my tool over here, my torque wrench. My torque wrench is in inch pounds, not in foot pounds, so it's a little bit lighter torque wrench as I drop that attachment for the spark plugs. But yeah, I got this guy, this Craftsman. So it'll do up to 250 inch pounds. And I'm just gonna take a stab at it today and see what we got. It's obviously not a very good fly day. I don't know if you can see out there, but it's a little bit of a IFR day. So here, let me see if I can rotate this around. Not sure if I'm using the right one here, probably not. But whoop. Yeah, some low clouds there. Not gonna work for flying, at least VFR today. So anyway, I will bring this in and get some video. So thanks for watching my videos, guys. Hope it's helping and you're enjoying them. So guys, as I was cleaning the spark plugs, they actually did need it. They were pretty dirty, at least the contact portion on the tops. So I did that. Now I'm going to do the gearbox oil. It's good to do this stuff, it just really makes you feel like, your airplane. Like I said, see these right here, I need something to be able to make sure these things are tightened down, and then right here where they attach to the engine itself, the gearbox to the engine. So and then right here we got cylinder. I think those are cylinder base nuts on on this side. I see two of them, and then the cylinder head bolts right there. So I'll check those to make sure they're torqued down. I don't think I do that right yet, but maybe at like 50 hours, I think I do that. I've seen it conflicting places, but I was just looking in the manual for the stuff I have to do. It's mainly just gearbox, electrical, checking fasteners, make sure they're tight, and draining the oil, putting new oil in. This gets done at like 5 hours, and then it gets done at 12.5 hours or 12 hours, and then it gets done again at 25, I think, or 50, something like that. But quite often in the beginning. So I've got that, and I will do it. Right. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the tops. All right, there's my gearbox filler, nut, bolt, whatever you call it. There's the filler. Now that looks clean. I'll set that over here. Now, I don't have anything really good to drain it into. I need to buy a little pan. I was thinking about bringing my oil pan, but I forgot it. So anyway, this is the drain here. Make sure I'm going the right way, right? Lefty loosey. Yeah, lefty loosey. definitely don't want to over torque these guys. All right, a little bit more. Now these things are these are 100 inch-pounds on this, so a little bit less than the. All right, wow. Why is that kind of hard to do? That should come off nice and easy, but anyway, I've got a little towel to catch any drips, but boy, this is wanting to not come out super easy. So let me get my thing ready here. Hopefully I don't get it all over me or hit my prop too much. All right, that's finger tight. All right, let's see if I can be smooth with it. Oh, not really. A little bit, not too bad. Glad I got a gross towel, but not much in here. You can see that. Not much in here at all. See, a couple drops. All right, well, next time I'll know. I'll just get a little cup or pan or something. Boy, there's like nothing in there. It's pretty dirty. It goes in, it's like mineral oil, right? It goes in really clear. Look how dirty that is. This is why we do this stuff. So, anywho, I'm laughing because I did some time lapse on this. It's a big shot of my butt. That's all you saw. So, sorry about the view. I guess I'm going to cut that down to like 2 seconds. I'm not going to show you that. So, nah, I should have put the tripod on the wing. Would have gotten a better shot of taking the spark plugs out. All right. I'll stop it. I'll stop the video here. Another thing you want to do is clean your sight glass in here. So you've got this guy right here, and that's where you fill it up to. So you want to see it get about what, halfway up the sight glass to totally full, but not much more than that. So I definitely want to clean my sight glass. Again, about 100 foot-pounds of torque. That's right. And the other one went on really good. This bottom one, 100 foot-pounds, was boom, it was right there. So anyway, let me get my towel in position again. And we will get this thing cleaned up. I don't think a lot's gonna come out of here. Should be fully drained, right? Ooh, there's a little washer. Yep, make sure that's on there. And sight glass looks clear. Might just make sure it's cleans a little bit so I can see. And I apologize for the lighting, not very good in here. So anyway, sight glass looks good. All right, so it's cleaned. It's hard to get inside there, but I got a little bit on the outside and just made sure it was in good position. Okay, 100 foot-pounds. 100 inch-pounds, I mean. There it is, not much. One more thing I missed was you definitely want to keep the sight window. You want to keep that off. And when you put the oil in, once it starts coming out of here, that's how you know you have enough. So I had to take it back off again. It's just first time doing it after I put it in there first time. It's been a while, I forgot. So yeah, you keep this one. You drain it, you put it back on, remove this one, clean it a little bit, and then once you see drips coming out of here, you tighten it back up. Right now, my sight window is pretty much completely full. Shouldn't be much more than that, but it's pretty full at this point because it started coming out. I put it back on, and it was coming out quite a bit, and then I just squeezed a little bit more in there to make sure it was filled. But it looks good. Right now, I'm using Valvoline 80 weight to 90 weight, or 80 weight 9-90 gear oil. So high performance. So let's get this going. And what else am I doing? I'm just gonna tighten these down, the air filters, tighten down some of the fuel lines, just make sure everything's good on the fuel pump. Pre-flight, all that as well, so that's always usually pretty good, but I'm just gonna tighten it. And then again, I'm gonna look into gearbox, tightening that down, and check on my times for the cylinder head stuff. And other than that, I think it should be good. You will notice this. This is a biggie. So what you'll notice is my exhaust system. I don't know if you can see this view from here, but I'll come around and show you.